We've completely changed the ceiling, added in some paint and beadboard, and this room is looking so good. But today, you guys, it's time to finally take all of these details to the next level and finish up this girls' room makeover with some wallpaper and some details.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney and I love showing you how to love your home through DIY thrifting and organizing. We are finishing up the girls' room today and we are starting with the wallpaper. I'm so nervous, you guys. I was gonna say excited, but honestly I am nervous. This is a pace and I just want to do it right. I want to make sure it looks good. I want to make sure it sticks. And not only are we putting up wallpaper, but there is an obstacle on almost every single wall in this room. I have a door, I have windows, I have curtain rods, and I have a fireplace that I have to do a ton of cuts around. So it's not just like a simple wall. So prayers would be great, but you guys, let's go ahead and tidy up and finish up this girls' room and add in all the sweet details and just get to it, because I'm just gonna talk and procrastinate, but I just gotta do it. Wallpaper paste, and it says to gradually pour it in and stir. It shows a whisk. Oh, that's luck. It shows a whisk, but I don't really want to use my whisk because I only have a kitchen whisk. So we'll see. Stir for 3 to 5 minutes. take a moment and appreciate the beauty that has culminated in this room between the beautiful board and batten and the color and the wallpaper. They are beautiful. They are beautiful. I love them so much, you guys. It's crazy the different feeling that happened. So like I painted the board and batten, I painted the trim, and it was so sweet and it was so cute, but obviously like the top was still gray. Was it gray? And then it had the patching. And it just didn't feel the way it feels now, which is just so cozy and exactly what I was going for. Like my vision board come to life, and we still have so many more cute things to add, but I love it so, so much. I will say paste was a little bit more difficult than the peel and stick. I did peel and stick in the bathroom, if you guys remember. The paste, it was hard because I wasn't quite sure if I was putting enough glue on. That's the only thing, is I watched Sandberg Wallpaper's like tutorial, and they make it seem very simple, which it kind of is. But the glue, I was like, am I putting too much? Am I putting too little? I don't know. And then the corners were really, really tricky, which had nothing to do with the wallpaper. That was just the fact that this room is not square, which I already knew that when I did the ceiling because of the tiles. But yeah, other than that though, it went on pretty easily. Like, you know, you just roll it on if you have the right amount of glue, which I hope I do. I hope this wallpaper stays. And then you just place it, and then you just scrape it like you would the peel and stick, and then cut. The other thing too, you might have noticed, is that because it's a nice thick wallpaper, which is great, it's beautiful quality wallpaper, honestly it's beautiful, but the top would kind of come down a little bit and the heaviness would want to peel it away from the wall. So like normally you want to get yourself situated, and once you have it in place, then you cut your top and your bottom. And I found that I was kind of having to like get it in place and then just cut the top right away, so then that way it wasn't trying to fall down on me. So that was the only thing that I didn't love about it. But I mean, again, it's at the, I'm benefiting because it's a nicer quality wallpaper. So stunning. I mean, it's gorgeous. I love the wallpaper itself. It is a beautiful pattern that the girls chose, and it's just beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it so, so much. So thank you again to Sandberg Wallpaper for sending that out. Super appreciative. I'm excited to partner with you, and I love it so, so much. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to check it out for yourself. In the meantime, now we are ready for the final details. And it's funny because the final details would normally just be like hanging a picture, but there's like a dresser that I still need to do. I still need to hem these curtains, which I should probably start with that. That would be smart, but I just don't want to do that because it's just not that cute. So hemming the curtains has to happen. And then the fireplace. I listened to your guys' ideas. Thank you for commenting on that in last week's video and letting me hear some different things that I could try. Honestly, all of them were so much fun. I had someone say, what if you did like a felt scene and the girls could play, which would be so much fun, or a chalkboard even. I really like that idea too. But I think just for today, I'm just going to do wallpaper for right now. I'm not sure. We'll figure that out together, but I just feel like that would be really pretty and just like a sweet, simple detail for right now until I decide. I would really love to just get a beautiful, like ornate brass fireplace screen. But yeah, so we'll see, we'll see. But I appreciate all your ideas because honestly, every single one of them, I was like, that sounds great, that sounds great, that sounds great. So thank you so, so much. So now we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, finish up. Let's put some pictures on the wall. Let's get this room together. My girls are actually out right now. They're at a friend's house, God bless her. She took them, my son's napping, so I can get some more done. Oh, and I also have, the point of that was to say so that they can come home and kind of be excited when they see it. But I also have bedding. We got new bedding for the kids. I actually ordered myself Quince sheets. If you guys watched my bedroom makeover little refresh, I partnered with Quince and they sent me out some bedding, and it's so soft and luxurious. And I just loved the company, honestly, that I decided to order organic sheets for my girls. So I have those in the wash. And then we also got some bedding from Amazon, and I'll show you guys that. And I think it's gonna be so cute and a little bit over the top, but just so much fun. Okay, let me stop talking. Sorry guys, like we just need to have like a sit and chat and tea party video or something like that, because which isn't as fun because I like it when you guys comment back. But anyways, here I go. Okay, let's just go to the video. By video, I mean makeover because you're watching the video. Okay, so first off the bat, I want to figure out if I want to put this in here. So this I got for $2 at the thrift store last week, and I couldn't believe it. It's super adorable. The color's perfect. I don't have to do anything to it. And I thought maybe here, it looks so small on the camera, that's so funny, but it feels like it takes up the space in a good way, and then we could put some pictures or some dolls up there. And then if she wants to hang anything from it, I don't know what she would hang, but I don't know, I just thought that that was sweet. It's also the only wall it would fit on in this room because it would look weird above the fireplace. But I just think that that would be good because we do have a lot of wall space, and then that way, I was not shot. That was just a bin under the bed. Oh my gosh. We're good. We're good. But I figured this would be nice because it wouldn't just be like picture, picture, picture on the walls. It would kind of be able to break it up. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think I'm gonna do that first. If you think I'm scared to do this, you are 100% correct, because this is wallpaper that I now have to screw into and get level. First, that bin is trying to kill me. First try. So I have this piece of art that I've had forever for the girls' room before we even moved here, but I don't like the blue around the frame, so I'm going to paint it. If you didn't know you could do that, you can. And I just have some sample colors from when I did the trim in my room, so I'm gonna see which one I like best. And then we're just gonna paint it, and then put it back in the glass and hang it up. If you guys have been following me for a minute, you might recognize this furniture piece that I redid. It was a really dark stain and it was pretty, but unfortunately it was a little bit beat up. So I gave it some new life and I did a whitewash. I never sealed it because I think when I did it, I knew that I didn't love how light it was. So since then my son has taken a beating to it and there's a little bit of pen marks on the top and on the side. And then this is missing the wire piece that I put in. So I have some plans for it, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna go outside and sand off where he marked it. I'm gonna make it a little bit warmer, and I've got some ideas for here. We're gonna see how it looks, and we're gonna give this thing, like I said, some new life and bring it back in here. And I've gotta hustle because I've got like an hour and a half to get this room finished. But I did hem the curtains and I'm so proud of myself. It took me 10 minutes, maybe 15. Why did I not do that like a week ago?
Let's take a quick look at that before, you guys. If you can remember, it was just a simple bedroom with not much detail, and we had nothing on the walls at all, and the fireplace was bare as well. And now the after is the mood board of my dreams. It is so beautiful and cozy and romantic and just everything that we were going for. The ceiling still looks amazing, and I'm just so happy with how this space turned out. The wallpaper is absolutely gorgeous and goes so perfectly with the wall color that the girls chose, and I love it so much. I will say the fireplace I will probably be changing, but for now it does its job and that's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this process, you guys. My girls love it so much, and that's honestly all that matters. I will be adding in probably a couple more details over time, but for now we're so happy with how it looks and how it feels. And again, my girls are just thrilled, which is the best part. So thank you guys so much as always for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did, and we will see you next week. As always, don't forget to subscribe or click that like button if you haven't already, because we've got lots more spaces to make over, including some outside, which is super exciting. Love you guys, you're the best, and thanks for watching.